Memory, aging, and the IQity NeuroTimeLine advantage. Most people assume memory loss is a natural and unavoidable part of getting older. But modern neuroscience tells a very different story. Your brain can regain clarity, restore memory, and even reverse age-related decline when we understand what is actually changing beneath the surface. As we age, most memory difficulties do not come from brain damage or neuron loss. They come from declining neural efficiency. Brain rhythms slow and lose precision. Communication between key networks becomes less coordinated. Emotional and stress load adds internal noise. Together, these shifts make it harder to encode new information and retrieve what we already know, even when the memories are still there. The IQity NeuroTimeLine was developed to make these changes visible. Rather than offering a single snapshot of performance, it maps how your brain's functional patterns have shifted over time. It tracks clarity, balance, regulation, and memory-supportive rhythms across months and years, revealing what is stable, what is drifting, and where decline is actually reversible. Behind this work is the IQity Brain Longevity Framework, a neuroscience-based system designed by researchers studying functional brain aging, neural timing, and network coordination across the adult lifespan. The core idea is simple. If you measure functional drift accurately, stabilize the brain's rhythms, and then strengthen the right networks, the brain responds. That process begins with the IQity brain longevity components, using rhythmic entrainment and gentle neuroadaptive cues to re-stabilize timing patterns in the brain. By reducing neural noise and restoring coordination between memory, attention, and control networks, this creates the conditions the brain needs for clear encoding and reliable recall. Once those rhythms are stabilized, cognitive readiness games reinforce them. These targeted cognitive challenges strengthen working memory, processing speed, executive regulation, and sustained attention. The same circuits supported by rhythmic alignment. Instead of training isolated skills, the games help the brain operate efficiently under real-world demands. Together, IQity NeuroTimeLine, entrainment and cognitive readiness games form the IQity Brain Longevity System, an integrated measure, stabilize, strengthen loop that supports long-term cognitive vitality. Across thousands of sessions, individuals using the IQity Brain Longevity System commonly show a 15 to 30-point increase in long-term memory and a 15 to 20-point increase in short-term and working memory, often equivalent to regaining 10 to 20 years of memory performance. Memory decline is not something you have to accept. With the right insights and the right training, your brain can regain clarity, precision, and stability at any age. To explore the science behind this approach, read the accompanying white paper and discover how your IQity NeuroTimeLine can guide you toward lasting brain vitality.